Hi, I love you. In this video, we are going to discuss about UGC NET paper 1 syllabus preparation techniques. So this video is useful for cracking the UGC NET exam or getting JRF. Before start the exam preparation, so every people thinking about these questions only: where should I start the syllabus, how prepare the notes, how score 45 out of 50. So that means JRF in UGC NET exam. So this video definitely will answer for these questions. First of all, I splitted the syllabus based on the difficulty level. So hard, moderate, easy. Based on 3 levels, I split the 10 units in these levels. So these are the 10 units what we are going to discuss in the UGC NET exam. So first of all, teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, ICT, people development environment, higher education system. These are the 10 units. So you can also download the UGC NET exam paper 1 syllabus and paper 2 syllabus in the description box. And you can also download the syllabus from the UGC NET portal. Or first of all, easy level. Why we are starting the easy level first means, if you're giving hard questions or hard level initially, your brain will get tired or you will get bored. So just start with the easy level. So these are the 4 units comes under easy level. So teaching aptitude, comprehension, communication and ICT. These are the easy level units from that 10 units. So first is teaching aptitude. It's related to the aim of teaching and objectives of teaching likewise. And comprehension means they will give a paragraph and you have to answer the 5 questions based on that paragraph. And after that, communication. So communication is day-to-day life activity. So you can learn easily from the sources. And ICT questions related with the SWAYAM, online courses, MOOC likewise. And next one is moderate level. So research aptitude, people development and employment, higher education system. So these 3 units very moderate level only. From the research aptitude, they will ask about the aim and types and the way of research likewise. And people development and environment, higher education system. These are based on the current affairs as well as the historical based questions. So it's only moderate level questions. And after finally hard level, I put these 3 units in the hard level because these are only comes from the practice. So you should practice from the old question papers, then only you are able to answer quickly in the exam. So if you leave any one unit, you can also score 45 mark out of 45 questions out of 50. From the each unit, they will ask 5 questions equally. If you leave any one unit means you can have the 45 remaining in your hand. So you can easily clear the UGC NET exam or JRF also. And next video we can discuss about these topics detailedly. And